The Jamaican Cultural Development Commission, the JCDC, will host a series of events throughout the month of September. And the special feature was to be aired on the television in Jamaica, which highlighted her life connected to the Road to Republic campaign. Fantastic.
Yes, indeed.
If you don't know who Miss Lou is, you know her. You know her contributions. You've heard her before in different facets in different ways.
If you don't know Miss Lou, you don't even visit Jamaica.
You have to know her.
Jamaican.
She's always in our bold uniform. You know, she have on our bandana, and she's bold in her voice, and her stature is strong.
Yes.
And she really does represent the beauty and the vibrancy of the island for sure.
Thing I love about Miss Lou from look of it, right, is that she would not ever down the culture in any way, shape, or form. You know, she represented what it was to be Jamaican, like in everything, the dress, the dialect, and, you know, she was the person to me that made Patois popular.
Absolutely.
To a level where, you know, like uptown and certain places, you can, you know, as a kid at least, you know, your proper English was what we were being taught, and the, you know, standard English, right? The Queen's English, and the embracing of the dialect, you know, of our own language, and making it popular or okay, you know, to be 100% Jamaican in what you do and how you stand and talk.
I mean, and what I love about her too is that in the Anansi stories that I read from her, this was the first time I've read Patois. I was actually able to articulate what she was saying through the Jamaican diaspora culture and, you know, dialect.
Yes.
And that's beautiful.
Indeed, indeed.
Vibrant.
Great story, great wit, you know, funny like what. Big up Miss Lou, rest in peace.
Timely,
Every
100
time.
and 105. She's not around.
105.
Wow. Still doing our thing.
Yes, yes, yes.